Hey guys, got a 2024 plate BMW 1 Series here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the centre of the dash, and we're going to use these controls down here in the centre console. So from here, we're going to go to Home, and then scroll down to Car. Click in the dial, then go to Settings, Vehicle Status, then Tyre Pressure Monitor. Now first, make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, then go to Tyre Settings, then scroll down to Start Tyre Recognition. Now all you do is drive around for about 5 to 10 minutes, a couple of miles, and then it will register your new tyre pressures.